Production Machining is proud to introduce our 2020 Emerging Leaders. These talented precision machining professionals under the age of 40 possess strong leadership skills. They are deeply interested in how things are made. These emerging leaders explain what attracted them to a career in manufacturing.
Mainly, the attraction was the challenge and the technology. There are so many things happening today in production machining that if you're keen and want to learn, the opportunity is endless.
To be honest, at first I didn't know much about manufacturing until I started at Smith & Richardson. As I've worked over the years, I've grown to have an appreciation for manufacturing and all it has to offer. Manufacturing is about making physical parts, but there's also so much more to it. Manufacturing also allows you to learn about different industries and different aspects of manufacturing.
I think really what I was drawn to was production is about making parts and hitting the numbers, but there's so much creativity and craftsmanship that goes into the work that we do. And our parts might not ever make it into a museum, but they go into people's bodies and into space, and I think that there's nothing more beautiful than that.
I've always enjoyed taking things apart and putting them back together, and that's manufacturing in a nutshell.
Now, I believe what attracted me to a career in manufacturing was creating things that were tangible, that I knew made a difference in the world. We have a very diverse customer base, and we are currently making components for electric vehicles, hydraulic valve assemblies, engine timing components, ammunition, among many others.
I started my career in manufacturing when I was a senior in high school as part of a work program, and the set days and set working hours allowed me to have a career and do schoolwork. This still holds true to this day because now I am currently attending BGSU, working towards a Bachelor of Science degree in technology.
Well, with my dad being the owner and my grandpa also being in manufacturing, we joke that it's in our blood. But basically it was one summer that I worked on the machines, and at that point I saw taking a raw piece of metal and turning it into a beautiful precision machined part. And from there I realized that this is something that's pretty neat.